Hi there, I'm meteorologist Pamela Gardner. We're getting into our next heat wave starting today, lasting perhaps through Friday. And at Boston, we need at least 3 consecutive days of 90 plus. We did it back in June 11th through the 13th, May the 17th through the 19th, and in years past we had some July heat waves. So this is typical here this time of the year. This is normally the warmest time of the season, and hour by hour timing, because of that heat and humidity, we may help to squeeze out an isolated shower chance, but it's going to be very hit or miss, and most of the day should be dry, mostly sunny, partly cloudy, with additional areas of fog developing overnight into your Thursday morning. Thursday afternoon, additional chances for pop-up showers and storms ahead of a system, a complex that perhaps may make its way across upstate New York and towards southern New England once we get towards Thursday night into Friday morning. Some of those storms could be strong, maybe severe. We'll keep you up to date on that situation. Temperatures today, though, scorching hot, low 90s in almost all communities with the heat index. It's going to feel like the low to mid 90s, even a couple spots in the upper 90s. So take it easy out there. Overnight, not a lot of relief with 70 degrees, and tomorrow we'll be close to that 90-degree mark again in Boston. And tomorrow we have a big event going on here in Allston. Boston Children's Hospital fundraiser here, the Corporate Cup. And BZ has a team. We'll be cheering them on. Liam Martin and I will be hosting. 1 o'clock, 87 degrees. 4 o'clock, 97 p.m., 89 degrees for those closing ceremonies and the awards. So a big thing going on, and it's going to be hot and humid. Hot and humid into Friday, but also for the weekend, a slightly cooler Saturday, 85, with the rain chances tapering off by afternoon. Sunday, more scattered showers, 78 degrees. And then the weather pattern stays unsettled for the start to next week. High temperatures in the 70s both Monday and Tuesday, with multiple rounds of rain.